Ever scrolled through your phone, glanced at your bank balance, and had that tiny, nagging voice whisper, "Is this really safe?" Especially when it comes to newer, digital-first financial platforms like Neon? You're not alone. In today's world, where everything from our groceries to our investments lives online, that question of security is more important than ever. We've all seen the headlines. Data breaches, cyber attacks, and the ever-present threat of financial fraud can make even the most tech-savvy among us a little nervous. So, let's dive into the heart of the matter. Is your money safe with Neon? First, let's understand what Neon is. It's a digital banking platform designed for the modern user, offering everything from everyday spending accounts to investment opportunities. But being digital comes with its own set of unique security challenges. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar banks, Neon operates primarily online, which means its security infrastructure has to be robust and up-to-date. One of the first things to look for is regulation. Is Neon regulated by a reputable financial authority? In most cases, financial institutions are required to be licensed and supervised. This ensures that they adhere to strict standards designed to protect consumers. Check for information on Neon's website or with your local financial regulatory body. Regulation provides a baseline of security and accountability. Next, consider the technology Neon uses. Does it employ industry-standard encryption? Are there multi-factor authentication options? Encryption is crucial for protecting your data as it travels between your device and Neon servers. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Look for details on their website regarding 256-bit encryption or similar standards, and the availability of biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition. Another key aspect is how Neon protects your funds in the event of insolvency. Are your deposits insured? In many jurisdictions, deposit insurance schemes protect your money up to a certain limit. This is a crucial safety net. Investigate if Neon participates in such a scheme and what the coverage limits are. Beyond technological safeguards, consider the company's overall security practices. Does Neon have a dedicated security team? Are they transparent about their security measures? A reputable financial institution will invest heavily in cybersecurity and be open about their approach to protecting customer data. Look for information on their security policies and procedures. It's also essential to consider your role in keeping your money safe. Strong passwords, avoiding phishing scams, and keeping your software updated are all crucial steps. Remember, even the most sophisticated security system can be compromised if you're not careful. Ultimately, whether your money is safe is a matter of degree. No financial institution, digital or traditional, can guarantee absolute security. However, by understanding Neon's regulatory status, technological safeguards, and security practices, you can make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.